Do you enjoy giving feedback on design? Do you enjoy receiving feedback on design? Not many people do. And that's why I teach a one-day class on design critique. Being able to give and take and make use of good feedback is a design superpower. It's a quick way to make anything that you create better and a means of improving any skill. It would be a shame not to make use of that power. But it isn't easy. Most people feel uncomfortable both giving and receiving feedback, and it can even be hard to know what to look for in a design, how to make a piece of design better. I have been giving feedback on interactive design for more than 20 years, first as a university teacher and later as a design director at Sony, and now in use. I've collected a number of insights and tips and tricks over the years. Sometimes I share my insights through essays and tools like the design critique card deck that I developed, and sometimes I teach a class. I prefer to give the class in-house to an entire team, just like I got to do recently when I traveled to Berlin and met with the UX and business designers at Fjord. An in-house team usually has something that they want to achieve. They have things that already work well and areas in which they are stuck. And since different teams have different cultures, I always learn something new. Meeting Fjord was instructive in many ways for me. They have an international team, which meant that questions about cultural differences around feedback was a topic of special interest. It forced me to think more deeply about this than previously. So giving the class in feedback is feedback on the class itself. It provides me with ways in which I can improve it. And the design critique cards too. I discovered some common ways in which a couple of the cards, which I use for one of the exercises during the day, are sometimes misunderstood. The questions on the cards need to be rephrased, and this was extremely timely as the cards are running out and it's about time for an updated edition. So if you want to learn something about feedback and allow me to learn something more about feedback, then get in touch. Let's meet up. Let's develop that superpower together.